guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an cell drop-down list on Google Sheets. So I'm just going to select this cell over here, go to data, then go to data validation, click enter a range or a formula and select data range, for instance from here to here, and then press OK. Then after that, you're just going to press save. You're going to do the same with the other one. Again, data validation, enter a range here to here, and press OK. Press save. And here, as you can see, there will be a drop down list. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!